Hello. Okay, so this video is me going through all the cars with no coaching cues. So if you are just a monkey see, monkey do kind of person, or maybe you've had lots of coaching cues already thrown at you for cars and you don't need those so much anymore, you just need the visual of like, oh yeah, I forgot we have to do the shoulder. And maybe you've been skipping over the shoulder car because you just forgot. This video will really help you stay in line with all the cars that you need to do. All right, so we're gonna start with the neck. Very good. Now we're gonna move into the thoracic. That's this part here. Let's go here with this. Very good. Now we're gonna go into the scapula. I'll do one from the back here. And reverse. Very good. Now we're going to go into the shoulders. One thing I will say I'm doing is I'm staying very connected with my breath. I'm going to do this one more time from the side just so you can see. Let's go from this way. You really see what those shoulders are doing. Awesome. Okay, up next we're going to do elbows. Very good. Wrists. You don't always have to flip over and do the wrist from this position, but the wrists are one area I've been very challenged with, so I have been hips. Whew. Okay, so I was holding like 2 rods. I don't know if you could see that. I was really trying to create that stiffness. And midway through, I was feeling like, okay, you're creating a lot of tension up here to release stuff down here. So I had to like hold the stiffness, but not get too bound up here. So if you do that, just be mindful of that. Okay, for the knee, you can do it standing. Good. All right, let's see what you got here. All right, and then the ankle, I'm gonna go to the floor. You can do whatever you want to with your toes. When you're learning ankle cars, really just focus more on the ankle. Don't worry about what the toes are doing. They can flex, they can point. They can draw up just like you saw mine. It doesn't matter at this point. Don't worry about that too much. I think I went both ways. I forgot, honestly. I think I did. A good point. Good. I'm gonna go for toes. Other side. Very good. I see the timer is 11:24, which is probably 10 minutes if we eliminated my talking at the end and at the beginning. Good job. Keep doing your cars. Love the cars. Love yourself. Until next time, stay fit, have fun, and be healthy.